Hi everyone, this clip, let's see how to access the main controller and remove it. In order to access the main controller, remove the side cover by loosening one screw and gently remove the entire cover so it should come off. There is one screw which needs to be loosened. Gently pull the main controller by holding the lock, and once the main controller comes, just drag it carefully. This is how you should remove the main controller. So the main controller has all network connect and USB, and it has a small PCB. So please discuss with the respective Canon team before you replace the board, because there are specific process in order to replace this board. So hope you like this clip. Thanks for watching.